this is Ray Small Bake. Today we're going to make chocolate chip cookies. Flour, sugar, baking powder, starch, chocolate, brown sugar, salt, vanilla, an egg, butter, and the secret ingredient. Let's start with the butter and the sugars. I got my butter in here. Now we're going to pour in the sugar. Here I'm adding the brown sugar. Now that their butter and sugar is mixed together, we're gonna take the sides down and then pour in our egg. While this is mixing, what kind of cookies do you like? One of my favorites is snickerdoodles. Alright guys, now we're going to take our cornstarch and pour it in there. And now we'll put the baking powder. Now we'll mix it. Let's pour the vanilla in and get ready for the flour. Now we're going to mix in the flour little by little. This is the hard part because you don't want to overmix or spill it. Alright, now the flour is mixed into the batter. We're going to add chocolate and secret ingredient, marshmallows, to make it ooey and gooey. Now let's mix. As you can see, our dough is done. Now I'm going to use the ice cream scooper and make them to the same size cookies. Hey, maybe my sisters want to help. Sophia, come help. Alright, she did a good job. Now let's have Mom pop them in the oven for 5 minutes at 375 degrees. Here they are. Cookies are a little cooler. Let's check them out. Ooh, gooey.